Before you drive that ML350 today, listen. There is one problem inside this engine that can turn your SUV into scrap metal. It's called the balance shaft failure, and most ML350 owners have no idea it's coming. This single issue has destroyed more Mercedes engines than overheating, bad oil, or poor roads combined. If your ML350 is showing any of these signs, stop driving it. Rattling noise on cold start. That 2-second metal rattle when you start the car early morning. That's the timing chain begging for help. Check engine light with these codes. Codes like P0016, P0017, P0018, P0019 mean the engine timing is off. When you see these codes, loss of power/slow acceleration, you press throttle, the car starts writing a letter first. That lag is timing failure. Rough idle and vibration, the car shakes like it's misfiring, but the real problem is deeper. Terrible fuel consumption. Your ML350 begins to drink fuel like keg of palm wine. Timing is scattered. These signs are the early whispers before the engine screams. Here's the painful truth Mercedes will never tell you. Cause number 1. Factory defect. 2006 to 2008 M272 engines. The balance shaft gear was manufactured with weak metal. It wears out too quickly. This is a design problem, not your fault. Cause number 2. Overstretched timing chain. When the chain stretches, timing shifts, and the balance shaft gets damaged. Cause number 3. Heat plus Nigerian weather. Cause number 4. Poor oil maintenance. Late oil changes equals faster chain, where equals balance shaft death. Here is the part that makes grown men cry. Depending on parts quality and mechanic, this is 2 to 5 days of serious work. Engine must come out completely. But let me be honest, once that gear is worn out, no shortcut can save you. If your ML350 is still healthy, do these now. Heavy checkmark. Change oil every 5,000 to 7,000 kilometers. Only use high-quality, full synthetic oil. Scan the car monthly. If you hear rattling, stop driving. Don't let the engine overheat. Fix tensioner issues immediately. Prevention is 10 times cheaper than repair. If this video saved you from spending over millions, hit that like button. Comment balance shaft if you want me to show you how to diagnose this issue step by step. Subscribe for more ML350 fixes, because my goal is to save your engine and your money.